Speaking is the number one way to exponentially grow your business and get in front of way more of your people. Hi, I'm Rebecca Massoud, creator of Speak, Shine, Sell, and I guide women entrepreneurs to create a soulful signature talk so that they can double or triple their income and their impact. But the problem is so many women entrepreneurs are missing out on this key strategy to growing their business. And why is this? Well, there are a few reasons, but the number one reason is they literally don't know what to say. My invitation to you is to join me for Speak, Shine, Sell. It's coming up January 31st at Morgan Run in Rancho Santa Fe. This is that day together where we will create your client attracting signature talk. I'll walk you step by step in creating the 5 elements of a signature talk, and you're going to have the opportunity to do some practicing in our fun, safe, supportive day together. So if what I've shared resonates, then I would love to invite you to join me for Speak, Shine, Sell. You can go to speakshinesell.com to register. Let's get started with you shining your brilliance on stage and getting the results that you desire in 2020.